Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto V8 Vibes, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sports cars of the year, the 2026 Toyota GR Supra. Toyota has taken the already iconic Supra and pushed it to new heights with more power, better handling, and a fresh design. So, is this the ultimate Supra we've been waiting for? Let's find out. The 2026 GR Supra keeps its aggressive stance but gets a modern refresh. The front fascia now features sharper LED headlights and a redesigned bumper that improves aerodynamics. Toyota has also introduced new lightweight forged wheels, improving both aesthetics and performance. Around the back, a larger active rear wing enhances downforce, keeping the Supra planted at high speeds. The new nitro blue metallic color adds a bold new look to the lineup, making this Supra stand out even more. Under the hood, Toyota has kept the 3.0L turbocharged inline-six, but with some exciting upgrades. Now pushing out 420 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque, this Supra is quicker than ever. Toyota has also fine-tuned the 8-speed automatic transmission, offering even sharper shifts. And yes, the 6-speed manual is still available for true enthusiasts. The new adaptive suspension and recalibrated steering ensure better handling, making every drive feel like a track day. Inside, the 2026 GR Supra gets a high-tech makeover. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while the 10.5-inch touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are now wrapped in premium Alcantara with contrast stitching, giving a race-inspired feel. Toyota has also improved the active noise cancellation, making highway drives smoother without losing that legendary Supra exhaust note. On the road, the 2026 Supra feels more refined yet more aggressive than ever. The improved chassis and updated traction control system allow for better grip and stability. Toyota has also fine-tuned the launch control, making 0 to 60 miles per hour happen in just 3.8 seconds. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or hitting the track, this Supra delivers pure adrenaline. Toyota is expected to price the 2026 GR Supra around $58,000 for the base model, with the top spec trims reaching $65,000. While it faces competition from cars like the Nissan Z-Nismo and BMW M2, Toyota's tuning magic keeps the Supra ahead of the game. Is this the best Supra ever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome automotive content. See you in the next one.